Watching Republic Live and getting you a quick eBooks Cash news alert. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar met US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo in Tokyo on the sidelines of the Quad meet. S. Jaishankar meanwhile said, and I quote, "Pleased to see the progress of our partnership in so many fields. We'll work together for stability and prosperity in the Indo-Pacific," unquote. Remember, the External Affairs Minister is on a two-day visit to Tokyo to attend the key Quad meet. Our senior executive editor Abhishek Kapoor is with us on the phone line. Abhishek, what more can you tell us? What all did the two leaders deliberate upon?
Actually, this is just first of the meeting between the two, but the essential reason why the two leaders are there is because a Quad meeting is going to happen between the foreign ministers of India, United States, Australia, and Japan. And till now, these meetings were kind of furtive. Now it seems a collective decision has been taken to make them more concrete. All the sides are discussing whether a joint statement should be brought out to make sure that there is a free and open Indo-Pacific. While always a statement has been attached with the Quad and Indo-Pacific that this is a peaceful organization, but a peaceful coming together of these four nations and not an organization. But it has been talked that this is some kind of Indo-Pacific NATO. There is going to be a military component at some stage, because you see, bilaterally or trilaterally, these nations have been carrying out joint exercises, for example. In fact, it's likely that at this meeting in Tokyo, the four foreign ministers could decide to carry out joint military exercises as well. We have those Malabar exercises where India carries joint exercises with Japan and the United States, and possibly this time, after a hiatus of about a decade, Australia might make a comeback. So this is about Quad, and remember, only a fortnight from now, perhaps, the two leaders will be meeting again, this time in New Delhi, as part of the 2+2 ministerial mechanism and dialogue between India and the United States. It's a strategic dialogue. So I think this is high visible, high voltage diplomacy to really show the strategic partnership and the intensity of the strategic relationship that exists between India and the United States. Of course, the Quad as well, which began a few years ago and has taken that much of a concrete shape where all the sides are deliberating whether a joint statement should be out this time.
Absolutely. Also becomes important because it's learned that both the leaders held discussions on overall ties, including evolving security scenario in India as well. Many thanks, Abhishek, for keeping us ahead with that latest development coming in. That was the latest eBooks Cash news alert.